Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing some delicious mincemeat shortbread. The recipe is really simple and easy, so let's get on with it. The ingredients: powdered granulated sugar can be used instead of caster sugar. The preparation: grease and line an 8-inch round and loose bottomed pan or tart tin. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method: cream the butter and sugar together until light and creamy. Add in the vanilla extract. Sift in the all-purpose flour and the salt. Mix to combine. Add in the mincemeat and mix. Knead until well combined. Dip the dough into the prepared tin and press evenly to level the top. Cut into 8 even pieces and prick all over using a fork. Refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Then take out from the fridge and bake at the temperature shown for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and cut into pieces immediately while still hot. Sprinkle with caster sugar and set aside to cool. Finally, enjoy! The recipe was really simple and easy. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.